So what should we do now? You will show me around or something? I guess I don't miss.
Oh, stop acting like you are still a little. Princess, if you want something to tell it directly.
This grump starts to annoy me even more. I should. A. Give him a piece of my mind. B. Remain calm and polite, as a true lady.
So, what are you waiting for?
For your temper gets cool.
And I am the bad guy again?
Well.
Okay, I am chill now. What do you want?
If you ask, I am still hungry.
Then it's a perfect moment to teach you a thing or two about hunting. Hunger will keep you motivated. Let's go. Most of the prey can be typed in two different ways. The first type is not very fast, but good at hiding. You need to chase it, using your dominance and speed. The second type is very careful and fast, so your only way to catch it is to sneak and got it by surprise. I found some prey to try your skills.
A. Chase. B. Sneak.
Not bad. Congratulations on your first prey. Now try this one.
A. Chase. B. Sneak.
You have good instincts. Very nice hunt.
And you are a surprisingly good teacher. Thank you.
I got the game. Let's feast. It was your first hunt after all. I want to teach you everything you need to survive this jungles.
To leave me later.
We will see how it will turn out, okay?
Anyway, I am grateful for your lesson.